Good day. We are the Group 5 and we are presenting our lesson plan for Grade 7 English focusing on questioning techniques and strategies. This lesson follows the 4A's model and integrates ICT tools to enhance engagement, understanding, and assessment even in an offline setting. The lesson begins with classroom routines such as prayer, greetings, attendance checking, and setting of classroom rules. For the drill, we will conduct the activity Answer First, where the teacher will provide an answer and students will formulate a possible question that matches it. Next, we will conduct a short review of the previous lesson through oral questioning and students will respond by raising their hands. For motivation, we will use a spin the wheel random picker tool which is downloaded and used offline. The wheel will randomly select students who will answer questions. The use of ICT in this part ensures equal participation, adds excitement and unpredictability, captures students' attention, and even without internet access, this offline tool enhances engagement compared to traditional selection methods.
For our activity, we use blurred image. And in this activity phase, we will use an interactive PowerPoint presentation that shows a blurred image arranged from the most blurred to the clearest version. Then the students will take turns asking questions, and as their questions become more specific, the teacher will gradually reveal the image by moving through the slides. ICT integration in this activity, it simulates a mystery box, digitally provides visual progression, supports inquiry-based learning. This helps students understand that more specific questions lead to clearer answers. And next is for the analysis. So we have oral participation. After the activity, we will ask guide questions to help students reflect on their experience, and students will respond through oral participation by raising their hands. And for the abstraction, in the abstraction phase, we will present the lesson using PowerPoint or Canva. This includes the definitions, examples, and explanations of different questioning techniques as well as the proper way of responding. And ICT supports this phase by organizing information clearly, providing visual support, enhancing understanding through structured presentation. And next is for the application. We have a role play. So in the application stage, students will be grouped and will perform a role-play activity demonstrating different questioning techniques. So each group will use a phone camera to record their performance. So the use of ICT in this part, it allows the students to review their performance, promotes self-reflection, supports accurate assessment, develop basic digital skills. So selected recordings may be presented to the class for feedback. Next is for generalization. Generalization phase, we will ask reflective questions to summarize what students have learned and apply it to real-life communication.
For evaluation, we will present the quiz questions using PowerPoint while students write their answers on paper. ICT integration in this part ensures clear presentation of questions, organizes the assessment process, maintains students' engagement. For the assignment, students will create an infographic using Canva that presents the 5 questioning techniques. This includes the name of each technique, a short definition, and one example. The ICT integration in this part promotes creativity, enhances visual presentation of knowledge, develops digital literacy. If internet access is limited, students may complete the task at home or provide manual output. That is all for our lesson integrating ICT. In conclusion, this lesson is designed to guide students from simple recall to deeper understanding and application of questioning techniques through a structured and student-centered approach. Each part of the lesson contributes to the development of critical thinking, communication skills, and active participation. ICT is integrated in a purposeful and meaningful way across different stages of the lesson. It is not used merely for presentation, but to enhance engagement, support understanding, facilitate performance, and improve assessment. Even in an offline setting, tools such as PowerPoint, offline applications, and mobile devices effectively support the learning process. Overall, the lesson promotes not only the mastery of questioning techniques, but also the development of respectful communication, collaboration, and digital among learners. Even in an offline setting, tools such as PowerPoint, offline applications, and mobile devices are effectively utilized to achieve the lesson objectives.